What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at our main shop. It is Monday, the day after the snowstorm, and I spent my whole morning at our Duchess yard. You might have seen my last video plowing out that with the tool cat. Of course, it didn't have a plow on it. It had turf tires on it, and it was quite the project. I had to walk up the driveway to get there, but we got that done, and I'm down here now. So things went pretty smooth for us during the storm. Rodrigo ran this truck the whole storm and really has no issues. The only two minor things are this spinner motor is leaking a little bit. So we have a new one in stock. We're gonna throw that on soon. And the headlights shake a little bit when these two, they're like bolts, but they're basically bolts, but they got like a handle on them. They back out a little bit after driving for a few hours, and this whole headlight bar shakes. You can see it's got a little bit of a shake in it right now, and at night you can see the lights bouncing. So overall, pretty good for this truck, especially considering we just got it and it was the first time we put it to the test. The Chevy flatbed that I picked up, I think last week, this one here that Rodrigo is driving right now, we are having an issue with the wing on it falling by itself still, a hydraulic issue. If you saw that video, you know what I'm talking about. And also the driver used it and tried putting it in four-wheel drive during the middle of the storm, and it wouldn't shift. Those trucks have like an electric dial that you spin for either 2, 4 high or 4 low. And we've had an issue with our Chevy dump truck where it either, I think it went into four-wheel drive and it wouldn't shift out. And when that happens, you have to bring it to the dealer for them to reset it. And it's a big issue that has been going on with these Chevys, and it happened during the middle of the snowstorm. He ended up having to get out of that truck and go in Rodrigo's old truck to finish out the storm. So we got to figure that out. I happen to just hop in it right now and put it in neutral, put it in four-wheel drive, and it shifted perfect. So I don't know what happened during the storm. I tried it during the storm as well, and it didn't shift. So there's something going on with it, but that's pretty much it for that. My uncle's truck had a power steering line go, and we fixed that. We made a hose here, and that was pretty much it for issues here. Vinny hit a manhole or something and bent his cutting edge. So we got to fix that. Hopefully it's just a cutting edge. It might be part of the plow that we have to look at. We haven't even brought it in. We just know that it happened. So we got that, and then we also got a salt delivery today. So I'm gonna head over to our salt bin and push that up. I think we got 2 loads. We're gonna need more. We used a lot of salt. So let me head over there. We'll get that pushed up, and then we will move on. What'd you say?
We put everything para mi amigo Paul. ¿Tú comprendes, mi amigo?
Hopefully he watches this, that way he knows you're his friend. What, yours? 15? Your old one?
Yeah.
It's not all the way down in the end?
Then you cut that one right there.
Oh.
¿This one tiene corona?
I don't know. Did you do it?
Then the store he gonna pull it up at the gas station.
Yeah.
Oh no? You, muñeco, you drive, you don't check the gauge, the plumita?
I just drive, Ricky. I just drive.
Oh my God, he's driving. Woo. Maybe the motor, the transmission not well, or keep driving.
All right, did you move 15?
It's right here. It's the machine.
Oh. All right, I'm parking this and I'm going home.
Okay. Muñeco, you check tiene corona?
Ricky, I just filled it up while you were sleeping. I told you that. like $5 worth.
Muñeco.
I did it. Watch the video. guys see this? It's crazy. Ricky doesn't believe it. Yeah, okay, I just built it up. Watch the video. Watch the video. It's YouTube, not Facebook. Everybody has YouTube. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. I know I wasn't talking much there towards the end, but that's pretty much what we do the day after every storm or the next couple days. We rinsed a few trucks today. We didn't go through and really wash anything. Tomorrow is a rain day, so we're gonna use the rain to help us get the trucks clean along with our pressure washer. And we'll probably try and get through all of the trucks tomorrow and clean them up. But that's gonna wrap it up. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.